Hi everyone, this is Handyman for the Everyman with my daughter. She was not happy about her bed because
the light wakes me up.
the light wakes her up in the morning, so she wanted to have curtains. And so we talked to a friend of ours who came up with a great idea, which is to actually put a curtain here.
No, that's my idea.
Well, it's okay, it's her idea to put a curtain. So we went to IKEA first and we bought this fabric curtain, which is a blockout curtain. How much was it?
$19.
$19. Okay, it's too long, but the plan would be to sew it, to cut it and then sew it.
And then sew it.
And then the next thing we bought was at Spotlight. We bought this tension rod, which you could get for $35, which came in that package. And you twist it until you make it a couple of inches longer, and then push it in. No, just push it using the spring. Okay, she doesn't have the strength, but I'm gonna help her.
No, it's too. No, that's the furthest it's
Okay.
gonna go. You have to make it a bit shorter.
Bit shorter. Okay, let's try
Make
again.
it longer. Which side
okay.
makes what?
Okay, so that's good. We're gonna just push that in a little bit more, like that.
Oh.
And there we go. Voila.
But you have to fix the other. Yeah, but
It's on this side. It won't.
You sure?
Yep. Now try. Yeah, I think you have to put it a bit lower than the other one. There we go. Now try. Now move it.
Oh wow, it does it.
Now go inside your bed and try it out. See how dark it gets.
Oh yeah.
Now there's a little bit of a gap at the top. How's the gap at the top though?
What gap at the top?
Okay, how's that?
Amazing.
Okay, so it works. So
Oh
for
my
$19 plus $35, we've got a tension rod plus a curtain from IKEA, and you get this amazing effect of having a curtain in your own room. Now the only problem is, because there's a table here, you can't actually move the curtain all the way, right? You can't. I didn't even think of that before.
Well, I don't mind like that.
So there's some light coming from here, but that's not where the light comes in.
Yeah.
So problem solved. Yay. The next step would be to cut this.
Cut this in half and
And
then
then
sew
sew
the
it.
edges and then put it up here, which will be easy. And
No.
then- Yeah.
But we will need to, you won't have holes for the...
No, that's
The other
fine.
one.
You'll sew it. Then
Okay.
you can just put it.
No, but it won't be the same as this.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
Okay. All right, we'll talk about that later. But that's the next step. If anyone wants to see the next step and the final product, subscribe and comment.
Thanks.
Bye, everyone.